We're making keto mac and cheese and I've got an extra surprise for you. Let's go. This simple but delicious keto mac and cheese is so easy and quick to make, and it was voted the best cauliflower mac and cheese on Pinterest. If it looks familiar, I made it a while ago and I was blown away by the taste. Hi, I'm Val and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified of all our upcoming recipes. Now, we're not using cauliflower in this recipe. We'll be using my gluten-free keto macaroni recipe that I made a few weeks ago. If you haven't made yours yet, here's a link to that recipe. There are a few reasons for making this video, and the first one is to show you how easy it is to cook this macaroni and how it holds its shape. My non-keto daughter had a taste of it and she couldn't tell the difference. Let me know if you agree. The second reason is hello, no cauliflower, and the third is you get to have dinner ready in 5 minutes. Without any additions, the macros are great for keto and they are listed in the description box together with your shopping list. Let's get into the recipe now. Over a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of onion powder, and lastly for your spices, quarter teaspoon of paprika. That is all your flavorings, and now I'm just going to incorporate your spices into the oil. Your spices will start to simmer now, and you can see I'm getting a light bubble there. Add 1.5 cups of heavy cream to your pan. And here I've got 90 grams each of 3 types of cheese. This equates to 3 cups or 270 grams, and you can use one type of cheese if you want to, but here I've got Gouda, Gruyere, and cheddar. And the last thing we have to do is just stir this occasionally so your cheese melts into the sauce. And when the cheese is melted, your sauce is ready. You can make this completely for yourself for keto, or you can do as I'm doing, especially if you're in a rush or you don't have time, is make this for yourself and for the family. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Remove 2/3 of your mac sauce. That's going to be for the rest of your family, and you will add normal pasta to this. And now I'm going to add the gluten-free macaroni to the rest of the sauce and turn on the heat to medium. And as it heats up, just stir that in. A sprinkle of Italian seasoning. And now it's ready to plate up. Of course, your macaroni is beautifully soft, and I just wanted to show you that as well. To finish off, you can top it off with a little bit more Italian seasoning. And that's your mac and cheese ready in 5 minutes. Well, I hope you can tell how easy it is to make this keto mac and cheese, and I hope you get to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.